Hello everyone, my name is Aman and I am one of the founding members here at GyanDhan. Recently, I have noticed that many students face challenges in finding and analyzing the suitability of different lenders. There are numerous videos on internet about loan offerings, but very few provide a clear and comprehensive picture. Well, worry no more. Today, we are breaking down the pros and cons of Axis Bank education loan offering, giving you the complete picture at one place. And this is just the beginning. There will be more videos on other lenders, so stay tuned and let's get started. Before we dive deep into the analysis and identify the benefits and drawbacks, let's quickly glance at the Axis Bank's overall loan offering. Axis Bank provide both secured and unsecured loans. For secured loans, you can get up to 85 to 90% of the value of the collateral as the loan amount, with interest rate starting at 9.99%. For unsecured loan, the maximum amount you can get is 75 lakh, with interest rate starting at 10.85%. The processing fee is approximately 1% plus GST, and the loan processing time after complete document submission is 5 to 7 working days. Additionally, you will receive a moratorium period of the course duration plus 1 year, during which you will need to just pay simple interest. This aspect has its advantages, which we will discuss while exploring the positive aspects of Axis Bank education loan offerings. Now, let's get to the main points, starting with the benefits of taking an education loan from Axis Bank. The number one benefit is the high unsecured loan amount. As mentioned, Axis Bank can provide up to 75 lakh as an unsecured loan for Prime A category universities. Prime A category includes about 300 universities such as Australian National University, McGill University, Northeastern University and more. For this institution, you can get up to 75 lakh without collateral. For Prime B universities like Cardiff University, Texel universities and others, you can get a loan of up to 40 lakh rupees. If your university is not in either category, Axis Bank has not left you out. If you have a GRE score of 300 or higher and a strong co-applicant working in a government job or with an MNC, you can get up to 50 lakh still, irrespective of the college. Yes, you heard it right. More than the Prime B category. This means that regardless of your university's category, you can still secure a substantial amount of money to cover your educational expenses without any collateral from Axis Bank. Moving on to the second benefit. The education loan taken from Axis Bank is eligible for tax benefit under Section 80 of the Income Tax Act. This means the interest paid on the loan can be deducted from your taxable income for up to 8 consecutive years. This tax advantage can significantly reduce your effective interest rate, making it easier to manage your finances during and after your studies. By lowering your overall tax liabilities, this benefit can help you save money and ease the burden of loan repayment. The third benefit is the quick processing time. You might think that banks take a lot of time to process education loan, and this is often true when you directly apply at the bank. However, the reason I mentioned processing time as the benefit is that when you apply for a loan through GyanDhan, you will expect loan approval in about 5 to 7 working days after successful document submission. This efficient processing time can be crucial when you are on a tight schedule to secure your funding and start your studies. Now, the benefit I am going to tell you about can be subjective in nature. Many individuals do not consider this as an advantage, but trust me, it is beneficial in the long run. The fourth benefit is the simple interest repayment during the moratorium period. During the moratorium period, which includes the course duration plus 1 year, you are only required to pay simple interest on the loan. This can be beneficial because it helps you manage your finances in the long run. By paying the simple interest regularly, you can prevent the interest from capitalizing, which means the interest doesn't get added to the principal amount. This keeps the overall loan amount from growing larger and reduces the financial burden once you start full loan repayments after the moratorium period ends. This approach can lead to total lower interest paid over the life of the loan and makes your future monthly repayments more manageable. Moving on the flip side, now let's talk about some drawbacks that you may face when planning to take an education loan from Axis Bank. The first disadvantage that you may face is that only there are approximately 300 universities in the approved Prime A and Prime B category. Although non-prime university is not a problem when it comes to the loan amount, but it may get associated with an immediate EMI that can act as a financial burden on your co-applicant. Also, in case of non-prime university, you will have to consider 15% margin money. That means 15% of expenses you need to pay from your pocket. The second drawback is the limitation of the types of courses eligible for unsecured education. Axis Bank primarily provides unsecured loans for STEM, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics courses or MBA programs. If you are pursuing a degree outside of these fields such as in humanities, social sciences, arts or other non-STEM disciplines, securing an unsecured loan becomes significantly more challenging from Axis Bank. In such cases, you may be required to either provide collateral or look for alternative lenders. The third disadvantage associated with Axis Bank education loans is another subjective area that can be challenging for some while not for others. Co-applicant eligibility. Firstly, only close family members such as your father, mother, brother, unmarried sister or spouse are eligible to become financial co-applicants. This limitation can be a hurdle if these family members are not available or suitable for being the co-applicant. Secondly, your financial co-applicant must earn at least 50,000 rupees per month without any financial obligation. Without any financial obligation means that your financial co-applicant should not have any existing EMIs such as home loan EMI or any other EMIs if he is just earning 50,000. If your co-applicant does have existing obligations, the minimum income requirement will increase proportionately to account for this financial commitments that your applicant has. This requirement ensures that the bank has a secure source of repayment, especially during the study period, but it can be a significant barrier for students whose potential co-applicant do not meet this strict criteria. It is essential to thoroughly assess the eligibility of your co-applicant before applying for the loan to avoid complications in the approval process. So, is Axis Bank the right choice for your education loans? It offers some compelling benefits such as high unsecured loan amount for top tier universities, tax benefit under Section 80E, quick processing times and simple interest payments during the moratorium period. However, there are also significant drawbacks like a limited list of approved universities, restrictions on type of courses eligible for unsecured loans and stringent co-applicant eligibility criteria. Ultimately, whether Axis Bank's education loan suits your need depends on your specific situation, including your chosen university, course of study and the financial stability of your co-applicant. Carefully consider these factors before making your decision. That's it for this video. We hope this will help you make a good choice. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you do not miss any update from GyanDhan. Like the video and share it with other study abroad aspirants. See you next time.